is Janmashtami, the day of Lord Krishna. On this day, temples and houses are wonderfully decorated and illuminated. Lord Krishna was born at midnight in Delhi. After he was Krishna's father, Vasudeva immediately decided to have one that he his son Nand with the help of Krishna. But he did manage to save his child from wicked King Kala. After Krishna grew up, he killed the wicked King Kala. Wish you a very happy Janmashtami. Thank you.